Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. This week's stamping collab was hosted by Patty's Polish Corner, and these are the manicures we prepared. Check the description box for links to everybody's video. Let's get started. As a base, I'm already wearing this beautiful Barielle nail polish called Golden Halo. To stamp, I'll use my H La Cosedora stamping polish called Purple Rain. I'll be using both Ejiubas stamping plates from this collection, and these are some of the images that I want to try. From the second plate, I want to try this star image. As always, I apply the polish onto the image, scrape off the excess, and using the stamper, I pick up the design. Once I have all the images, I'll fill them in using different purple nail polishes. While I'm waiting for the designs to dry, I'll stamp the star image on all the nails. And since my pinky is so small, I picked up the image and stamped it directly onto my nail. Once they're all dry, I stamp them onto my nails. I love the way they turned out. On my thumbnail, I stamped the same design I stamped on my pinky. I seal in the stamping with my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. And I finish off with a glossy top coat. This is the completed manicure. I love the way it turned out. It was a different take on a galaxy design using lighter shades, but I really love it. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! If you enjoy my content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe button. It's free. And if you enjoyed this video, leave me a thumbs up to let me know. That really helps out my channel.